Carter. My name's Ryan. This is Soundband, a revolutionary headset that leaves your ears open to the world around you.
Unlike earbuds, which use speakers, Soundband delivers sound to your ears via surface sound, providing crisp audio that only you can hear.
Sounds that you hear travel as pressure waves through the air and vibrate the tympanic membrane or the eardrum. With the Soundband, sound is conducted through the bone and the tissue in your head.
It easily connects to Android and Apple devices.
With fine-tuning by Waves Audio, the sound quality is amazing.
By delivering sound without blocking your ears, Soundband can be enjoyed anywhere, anytime.
Soundband development began with an ambitious idea: to create a headset built for today's increasingly mobile world. A headset that would complement, not complicate, your life. Meet the Soundband team. Soundband is available in Onyx, Jasper, and Sterling. For a premium finish, Soundband is also available in Bird's Eye, Carbon, and Kevlar.
Soundband has so many new uses. We're providing an open SDK so anyone can develop apps for Soundband. So that's Soundband. We finished the design, tooling is complete, and we're gearing up for production. We can't wait to get Soundband from our studios to your ears. We hope you'll join us.